Now that the 2015 September quarter is over, let's take a look at how WA's regional property market performed over the 3-month period. As a whole, regional WA saw a decline in its overall median house price, but with a state as big as ours, it's not surprising that there was a fair bit of variation throughout the regions, with some areas experiencing growth while others recorded losses and some stayed steady. So let's break it down. Starting at the top, in the state's Broome market, house sales activity was down 6.8% for the quarter, but up an impressive 16% on the same time last year, while its median house price fell 1.7% across the quarter to sit at $570,000, which is a 4.7% drop on the same time last year. In the Pilbara, sales activity in Karratha dropped off 10.5% across the quarter, but lifted 3.8% on the same time last year, and its quarterly annual median fell 3.6% to $430,000, which is a 27.1% decline on the same time last year. Meanwhile, Port Hedland sales activity dropped off by 17.3% across the quarter and 28.3% when compared to the same time last year, while its quarterly median house price increased 0.5% to $749,000, which is a 6% drop on last year's September quarter. Looking to the Kalgoorlie-Boulder market now, and house sales activity in the area continues to decline, falling 14.2% across the quarter to put it 28.4% below the same time last year, and its annual quarterly median fell 1% across the quarter, but is up 1.9% on last year. In WA's Midwest region, sales activity in the Geraldton-Greenock area experienced a drop, falling 17.7% over the quarter and 26% over the year, while its quarterly median house price dropped to $368,000, which is down 1.2% on the June quarter and 3.7% on the 2014 September quarter. Heading south now to the Peel region, and house sales figures in the Mandurah-Murray property market dropped 12.3% on the June quarter and 20.1% over the year. However, in better news, its median house price lifted 1.2% on the June quarter and 1.7% on the same time last year. In the southwest region, Busselton saw declines in house sales activity both over the quarter and when compared to the same time last year, but its quarterly median house price jumped 1.1% to $467,000, putting it 3.8% above last year's figure. In the Bunbury market, although there was still plenty of sales activity throughout the quarter, it did experience a 10.7% decline on the June quarter and a 13.3% fall on the same time last year. However, its quarterly median house price held steady at $385,000 and is up 0.3% on the same time as last year. And finally, in the Great Southern region, Albany experienced a decline in house sales, dropping off 13.4% over the quarter and 25.2% over the year, but its quarterly median house price remained stable and is up 2.9% on the same time last year. So there you have it. That's how WA's regional market unfolded in the September quarter. If you'd like to find out more about how your town has performed, as well as the long-term statistics and trends, head to the WA market section of REWA.com.